why. If I only try my ponytail cannot be sleek like this. Hi guys, it's a girl with Glow back again with another video. If today's our first time here, hello, kindly subscribe. Subscribe is free, okay? Subscribe, yeah, just subscribe. In today's video, we are going to all the social media platforms to watch how black women styling their ponytails, how these beauties are changing the game. It's 2023, guys, and how these girls are coming up with new skills, new styles is given. Literally is given, everything is given. So come with me today. Let's go to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, where these beauties are posting their videos. Okay, let's go there and watch them. Let's share our views in the comment section. What do you think about these styles? Are you going to try them? Are the products they are using safe for the health? What do you think about this? Comment down below. I have my phone here. Let's go to the social media and watch the videos. Thank you. Okay, yeah, you see you. This is nice. Wow, are you guys see what I'm saying? Are you guys see what I'm saying? So sleek. Me, I like my ponytail be so sleek and smooth. That's how I want ponytails to look like. I don't want any fluffy ponytail. Like, I don't want any fluffy hair like this, whereby I didn't style mine well and you're seeing this nice. No, I don't want my pony to be like that. Okay, yeah. So if I see someone trying to make a pony and the pony is so sleek, I was wondering, wow, do these girls do it? How do these girls do it? Okay guys, let's continue because I don't know, it's so nice. Let's okay. Got it. Oh, ooh, guys, this is nice. This is nice. This is so nice. Like, this is nice. Seriously, this is nice. Okay. 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 This is so nice. Okay, guys, this is so nice. I'm trying to figure out how these girls do their ponytail, and this ponytail can be sleek. Their ponytail can be sleek. I don't know why. If I only try my ponytail cannot be sleek like this. I don't know why. Can someone explain this to me? Because I can't believe it. Every time I try to do my ponytail, I can't get this pony sleek. Okay, 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 yeah, okay, 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 okay. This is nice. I'm going to try this. Let's say this hairstyle, in case you've got hairstyle, you've gotten an invitation for a program and you're a special guest over there and you're going to rock in this hairstyle. God, the way you're going to look beautiful. Like, people are going to stare at you. Like, this hairstyle is going to look good on you. Wow, 10 out of 10 minus nothing, because this is nice. Okay, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, let's watch another one. No, hold on, no. No, 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 hold on. No. How can you tell me this? No. What did they use? What did they use? What did they use, guys? What did they use? Can someone explain to me? Because I'm confused here. What do you use? I'm confused here. I'm so confused. I'm confused. Literally, I'm confused. How can? Did she use ponytail or what? I don't know. Did she use did she use bonding glue? Or we have, or got to be glue, or we have other glue that can help in, like, I don't know. Can someone explain to me? Because I don't know if she used bonding glue or got to be glue spray to attach those kind of edges. That kind of edges. I don't know now if you don't have edges. It's also easy at the market to get some in 5 minutes or 2 minutes. I was thinking about hair growth or your hair mask, scalp oil or something that can grow your hair. No, nowadays we have 5 minutes edge. Okay. I get you guys. I get you. Yeah, I get you. Let's go. I get you. Hey. How can you tell me this story? How can this afro hair, like, how can this natural pink afro can be so sleek? Whew. I don't know, but maybe I think that's how it's supposed to go or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's how it's supposed to go or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go. Hey. Oh, hey. So nice. Ooh. Let's go. Can you guys, can you see what I see? This hairstyle is so nice. It's so beautiful. They are so pretty as well. I don't know. Look at their skin. Look at their eyes. They're so beautiful. They're so pretty. Okay. Yeah. Can you guys,